Welcome back. Hundreds of PWD contract workers caught arrest in Panji on Friday demanding regularization of their services. Their meeting with Labour Commissioner did not yield any result and they resorted to Jail Bharo. Workers' Union has threatened to paralyze most of the PWD services. Hundreds of PWD contract workers had gathered outside Shrama Shakti Bhavan in Panji on Friday. Meeting between their representatives and Labour Commissioner was scheduled on Friday afternoon. There are over 1,600 contract workers in PWD. They say many of them are working from past 10 to 15 years, but they are yet to be regularized. The meeting with Labour Commissioner went on for half an hour, but it was inconclusive. Next meeting has been scheduled on 27th of December. PWD Workers Morcha was led by ITUC General Secretary Christopher Fonseca. Later, all workers and their delegation took a rally towards Kranti Circle near Panji bus stand. Some workers wanted to court arrest, but some wanted to wait till the outcome of another meeting. After around half an hour at Kranti Circle, workers decided to court arrest. Workers say this is a trailer. If they stop working at their respective PWD divisions, whole state would be paralyzed.
परिणाम जातलो आणि अशेच तर आनी कामगार तर जेल बरो करीत मोठो परिणाम जातलो. आता आमी ह्यो जेल बरो एक एसआय कशी दाखयला गवलेनी आनी हाच्या फुडें आनी खोर प्रोग्राम आमचे आसतले कित्याक कामगार अन्याय सहन करूंक शकना. cannot tolerate this injustice anymore.
Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandulkar, with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi. Just remembering artists is not enough. What is needed is to preserve their old memories. State government has honoured Pai Theatrist by naming the main auditorium at Ravindra Bhavan with his name. But his family is neglected. His own house is lying in a dilapidated state from past many years. Have a look at this house. This house belongs to Joe Agustino Fernandez, who has been honoured with the title of Pai Theatrist. Cracks on the walls are growing deeper day by day. Electrical wires are hanging out. Broken doors and broken windows. The whole house is lying in a dilapidated state. What is intact in the house is photo of late Pai Theatrist and his name on the wall. Earlier in 2008, the wall of this house had partially collapsed. Granddaughter of Pai Theatrist, Sharmila Fernandez claimed that Rajya Sabha MP Shantaram Naik had assured to repair the house but failed to fulfill his assurance.
30th August, they told to renovate the house, Mr. Shantaram Naik said. But till day today, nothing. 2009, 2nd of November, the wall collapsed. Now 1st of September 2011, the cover tree fell down that side also. So the Mamladar of people came for this Panchanama, and they told now when they are sanctioning the check, I don't know about that. And this CM also had said that he will do it. But till day today, nothing.
State government honoured him by naming the main auditorium at Ravindra Bhavan at Madgaon with his name. In December, state government celebrated his birth anniversary and felicitated artists from Goa on this occasion. But the true memories of artists are still crying for help. Our reporter from Madgaon, Savio Tyres. BSNL workers observed a one-day strike at Madgaon on Thursday. They have demanded that the BSNL management and central government should take necessary steps to revitalize financially ailing BSNL across India. This was part of their nationwide strike.
Joint Action Committee of BSNL associations, unions of executives and non-executives and BSNL workers had called for a nationwide token strike on Thursday. BSNL workers also observed strike in Margao. They gave out slogans against the management as 3 lakh executives and non-executives of BSNL took part in the strike across India.
हमारी मांगे पूरी करो, हमारी मांगे हमसे टकराएगा, जो हमसे टकराएगा,
The main aim of the strike was to compel the management and central government to take necessary steps to revitalize the financially ailing BSNL across India.
स्टोर कांयच सुचना. आमचे कडेन टेलिफोन ना, मॉडेम ना, वायर ना, केबल ना, मोबायल टवरा खातीर अशें ते एंटिना ना, सगळे इक्विपमेंट तांणी बंद करून दवरलात. तो एक डिमांड आहा की आमकां इक्विपमेंट परत त्यांनी सगळे इश्यू करचे आणि बाकीचे लायसन फी जी कितें DOT भरता BSNL ती आमकां वे ऑफ करची असो डिमांड आसा आमचो. आणि आमी जी रुरला सर्वीस दितात ती सद्या लॉसात चलता. म्हणजे जे गोंयचे आतां पार्ट आहा पळय रुरला भितर तेजे एक्सचेंजी आहा ती सगळे आमी इनकम ना पूण एक्सपेंडिचर जास्त जातात. त्या बदलात DOTन आमकां पयशे दिवचे ती चलोवपा खातीर असो आमचो मेन डिमांड आहा.
Our reporter from Margaon, Samir Bhatt.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.